So we've looked at developing professional values as a competence. Another competence we need to look at is that of knowledge and that of understanding. And in this regard, the reflective practitioner needs to always be enhancing, building on their knowledge and understanding of the subjects they teach. There's a particular commitment here for the teacher. And it's important also for the reflective practitioner to look at these within the context of the school and maybe even the wider context of the community. So in terms of professional knowledge and understanding, the reflective practitioner needs to think about the range of strategies that he or she can use in terms of affecting those policies and procedures, those strategies, and thinking about how to maintain particular approaches, positive behaviours within the community environment. It's also about looking at the factors that can prevent the barriers that can be in place to affect learning within the school environment. And it's important for the teacher to understand and to know what can become barriers for students and what can support learning in order to help overcome the barriers ultimately. In terms of this professional competence of knowledge and understanding, the reflective practitioner must also be looking at their own communication skills and how, with time, they will develop. They're able to develop communication skills, not only in terms of explaining concepts, theories, facts to students, but also in terms of engaging with students. Communication skills is perhaps one of the key skills for the teacher. And in this regard, especially in the 21st century, there is a lot of technology available for the teacher to use, and this competence of communication therefore takes on a much wider impact when we consider media, multimedia, and of course the internet as vehicles for learning, and the communication associated with all of these different methodologies. So another competence we can consider within the framework of knowledge and understanding for the reflective practitioner is that the communication that takes place is not just between the teachers and the students, but is very much within the whole school community, and therefore that supports the relationships that occur between the individual teacher and colleagues, the individual teacher and parents, and the individual teacher and the community that they serve. And what is important then in terms of developing knowledge and understanding is for the reflective practitioner to develop an understanding of the social context, the community context in which they operate, and to not only understand the implications of this, but also begin to address the issues that arise because of this.